Alright, so to change your DNS settings on your Windows, what you need to do is to come to the search and then type control panel. I think it is the first one here, so click on it. So once you're here, locate network and sharing center and click on it. Okay, right, so this is going to open a new window for us. So it is going to contain your internet source, whether you are connected to an Ethernet or hotspot from your mobile phone. You are going to see the name of your hotspot here, so you can see my mobile hotspot right here. So I'm going to click on the link here, and then it's going to open another window. So this is where we're going to configure the DNS settings. Click on properties, and this will pull out another window for us. Then just locate internet protocol version 4. So click on it to select it, and then once it's selected, click on properties. Okay, so now before you decide to change your DNS settings, you have to know the DNS server that you want to change to. So I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. So it's going to contain all the DNS servers and their addresses that we need to configure. Okay, so click on the link and then you are going to land on this page. So this is the list of popular DNS servers and their host names and IP addresses that we need. Okay, all right, so what you need to do is that just pick the DNS server that works best in your area, and then you can configure the settings. Okay, all right, so with my experience, Cloudflare gives the fastest internet connection ever right in my location. Okay, right, so you can run a test. I made a video about that, so I'll leave a link in the description to see which DNS server that you can select for your location. Okay, so I'm going for Cloudflare. What we need to do is to pick the primary and the secondary IP addresses, and then we'll go to our laptop and then we're going to enter these values. Okay, so note them down. The primary IP address is 1.1.1, okay, and the secondary one is 1.0.0.1. so let's go over there and then we're going to enter the same value. So go back to your control panel. All right, so once you're here, you can see your Windows automatically selects a DNS server for you. So what we need to do is to come down here, and where it says use the following DNS server addresses, so click on that box. All right, so the first box, enter the primary DNS server address. So it was 1.1.1.1, and then the alternate or secondary DNS server address, we're going to enter 1.0.0.1. Okay, so once you're done with that, just click on OK. Then you can close these windows. Okay, you are done with that, and then you can restart your connection to see if you can now connect successfully. Okay, all right, so to apply the same settings on your mobile phone, you can check the video in the description. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more tech tips, and stay safe and then connected, and hope to see you next time again, and then goodbye.